The FreeStyle Libre system is here, guys. And from what I have read, I believe the application is easy and painless. I am so looking forward. Let me tell you why flash glucose monitoring is important for people like us. I'm sure you all know that glucose monitoring is one of the most important aspects. And pricking your finger daily, well, it gets a little tedious. And this nifty little thing eliminates the need for finger prick testing, and it's just so easy to apply. It measures my glucose level once every 15 minutes, giving accurate results. So say bye-bye to lancets, bye-bye to finger pricks, and say hello to the FreeStyle Libre system. Days, I will be posting frequently to tell you how my sensor is faring. So far, it looks really promising. Check this link for purchasing online or visit freestylelibre.co.in for more information.